Hi everybody, it's me, Ryan's dad. Holiday, oh yay! Oh, there's confetti. Oh, yes, Ryan. Oh, Ryan, I forgot the Christmas tree. Oh, look. Oh, that's real nice. Oh. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's so cold. Oh, I'm chewing. I swim with my glasses so I can see the bottom. Oh, there's our family. Morning. Oh, I think they got that. There's that confetti again. Oh, hey! Oh, sorry. They were trying to do stuff. They were trying to make the eggs.
No eggs?
Oh, no eggs. Yeah, mine was different. Whoa, what are you doing, Ryan? Oh, you're in the water. Hey, gosh. Oh, Ryan's a cop now. Freeze. Yeah, give us your subscriptions. Huh? I'm really nervous, Ryan. Push the one button challenge. Oh, I make this face when I take a dump.